Solar installation costs explained. 5 factors that make a difference. The cost of installing solar panels can change a lot depending on a few important things. 1. System size and capacity. Bigger systems that make more electricity cost more because they need more solar panels and equipment. 2. Type and efficiency of solar panels. There are different types of solar panels, like monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Each type costs differently and works better or worse. Panels that work better usually cost more. 3. Roof characteristics and space. The kind of roof you have, its condition, and how complicated it is, like flat versus sloped, can affect the installation cost. A more complicated roof might need more work and materials. 4. Energy consumption needs. The size and design of the solar system depend on how much electricity your household uses. If you use more, you'll need a bigger system, which costs more. 5. Installer reputation and warranties. Well-known installers might be more expensive, but they offer better warranties and services, which can be good in the long run. Knowing these things can help you make smart choices and maybe lower the cost of installing your solar system. Contact us today for consultation, inspection and installation.
This message is brought to you by retailhubsolar.ng.